Indeed, seven persons filed a case against government claiming to have rights in long lease and over the bank. The judge did not agree with those persons' claim in the preliminary decision. The judge indicated that until a decision is decided in the bodemzaak, a standstill was ordered to allow more detailed handling of the matter. To government's knowledge, none of the persons filed an appeal against the decision. So based on the information that we have, no one filed an appeal against the decision of the judge that it was not granted. Their wishes were not granted. February, April, May, March, June, July went by, and over the bank, 7 persons did not begin the bodemzaak as no appeal was filed. So then government initiated an appeal, initiated the bodemzaak in order to get clarity on the entire situation. The judge also ruled that it was not done transparent in the previous, in 2016. Therefore, as a council of ministers, we discussed it. I brought it forward. I brought forward the legal opinions that I requested as well. And we decided the best way to get clarity on this situation is to follow the instruction of the judge and have a bodemzaak. I did take note of an article in the Daily Herald a couple of days ago where it says, I think something along the lines, Doran summons citizens to court. I do find it unfortunate, again, but not surprising that the Herald did not even indicate or request a comment from my person. I did see, however, comments from members of parliament, which you ask yourself, okay, how is that even relevant if we're dealing with a governmental body, so to speak? Nevertheless, it was not a summons. The judge ruled that we need to decide in a bodemzaak, and we initiated the bodemzaak. It is not normal or not customary that government would initiate cases. It's normally cases are started against government, and majority of the time government was not successful in cases. So indeed, I could maybe understand the confusion on some ends. However, I believe that clarity is needed in the situation. Many ministers came and kicked the can down the road, and I think from 2014 to now, the public does deserve clarity and closure, and we deal with the situation as best as possible. At the end of the day, there's no winners in this situation, in my humble opinion. However, I'm not going to dwell too much on it, and let's see how the court rules, and whatever decision is made once all the legal bodies are exhausted, and we just comply with whatever decision is made.